Hi, I'm Colby's digital avatar, and today I'm excited to walk you through the capabilities of the EG4 Hybrid Solar Mini Split System, which we've installed and connected directly to our backyard solar system in our own home here in Texas. This is to give you an idea of the space that it's heating and cooling. So it's there, and it's got the open concept office, kitchen, dining room, and living room. And then in the entrance, it goes up to the second floor. Here's our Mini Splits app control with a PV input of 1,562 watts coming straight from solar. This is key. The system isn't wired to the house's electrical system. It's running purely on solar energy connected via MC4 connectors. It's December, about an hour before sunset, and we've had the heater running at 89 degrees, with the interior at a comfortable 82 degrees, despite outside temperatures in the 60s. Now, watch how quickly we can cool down this 1,500 square foot open concept space using nothing but solar power. Here's a quick look at the current temperature output. The thermal imager is showing a toasty 105 degrees. That's the heat output from our mini split, and it's all from solar, pure direct current efficiency. Now we're turning it down from a warm 90 degrees to a cool 72. Just like that, the air temperature pouring out has plummeted to 55 degrees. This demonstrates the system's potent operation on solar energy alone. Now let's take a look at the data. At 4:24 p.m., the indoor temperature was 78.2 degrees. 10 minutes later, it dropped to 75.3. And by 4:41 p.m., we hit 73.3 degrees. In just 17 minutes, the system reduced the temperature by nearly 5 degrees, leveraging nothing but solar power. This equates to 1 degree in temperature drop every 3.5 minutes. To further illustrate, if you got home from work and the house was 80 degrees, with just this alone, you could get the temperature down to 70 degrees in 35 minutes without using the grid at all, even with minimal sun. It's efficient, it's quick, and with full sun, all the math would be even better. Do you want to experience the same level of efficiency and comfort in your home? Here at Emerger Energy, we're ready to help. We're offering a free estimate for a custom backyard solar system and solar mini split installation.